Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to lock your Windows PC with USB drive. Please guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. So go to your browser and download this powerful tool. So you select the second one. Make sure you select the right tool. So this is the Predator Free Edition 64-bit for my Windows. So this is the software. Please guys, follow the instruction and download the tool. Okay, I've already downloaded it, so let me go and install it. After downloading, all you have to do is extract the folder. So this is the next step. Run the tool as an administrator. Please guys, follow the screen instruction and install the software. Agree. Yeah, good to go. Predator has been successfully installed. Okay, this is the software. So the next thing you have to do is get your USB drive. You can use a minimum of 2 megabytes. Please guys, feel free and use this tool. It won't harm any or destroy any of your software, files, anything on your USB drive. Feel free and use it. Okay, let's launch it. So this is the screen warning. Before using this program, you must define a password and you must register a key too. Okay, let me insert in my USB drive. So this is my USB flash drive. Okay, here's the main point. Put in a password that you can remember, and it must be up to 6 characters or more. Okay, so as you can see, the software is running. Here is it. Monitoring is on. The good thing about this software is that every seconds it runs and check whether your USB drive is inset. So without the USB drive you can't log in your Windows, and no one can, without your USB 2 no one can log in on your Windows. You can use this for your lifetime and protect and stay anonymous. So what I have to do next is, let me remove the USB drive and see what will happen. Let's wait for a second. As you can see, the warning sign, this computer is protected by the Predictor Access Control System. So without the USB drive, no one can log in. Can you see? So without the USB drive, no one can access your computer. So let me insert in and see. Perfect. This is a bounce back login notifications. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like icon, subscribe to the channel, share to your friends, and leave a comment if you have any difficulty doing this. So always, anytime you boot on your PC, you have to insert in the USB drive, then you are good to go. Without your USB drive, no one can access your computer. This is the best way to stay anonymous. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like and share to your friends.